What's up, Boogaloogas? Today we are going to be doing a dragon unboxing monster truck.
Yeah, Jim just got this and he's desperate to do a little video on it. You've been wanting this monster truck all day, haven't you?
Yeah.
We've got looking at it all over town, all over the different shops to find it, and in the end we found it in Tesco's.
We had another one, but we lost it.
Well, he did it, yeah, he wanted to replace one he couldn't find, so... And there's Boogaloo hiding in the background.
Yeah, this isn't the actual one, though, what I wanted.
Yeah.
Because the other one is the Avenger.
Let's have a close look then, Jim. Oh, so what is it?
It's the dragon.
Oh, what does it do?
It breathes fire.
Breathes fire? How does it breathe fire?
I think it's like flamethrower hidden inside its mouth. And
well, the real one breathes fire, not the toy one.
Yeah,
not your one. Otherwise that'd be dangerous, wouldn't it? Okay. What you do? You can open it?
Yeah.
Go on then. Do some unboxing.
Straight out of the package.
Ooh. Oh, what's that it's got in there with it? A little car?
Squishy car.
What's the squishy car for?
To run over. If I can.
What do you do with the squishy car?
Put the squishy car there.
Oh, you run over the squishy car. That's kind of cool. Squidge. If you get lots of different trucks, then you get lots of little cars to run over.
Oh yeah.
So you maybe have to collect them, Jim, eh?
Oh yeah, maybe you can get a ramp too.
What do you think, Boogaloogas? If he's good, do you think you should get more of these trucks? Let's have a close up look then, Jim. Drive him close to the camera. Vroom. What sort of noise does it make?
I think it's just really, really loud.
Yeah? How loud?
And it kind of roars.
Yeah? Like what?
Like, it roars like a dragon.
Can you do the impression of it?
No.
You can't do the sound?
No, I can't.
Well, Boogaloo, can you do the sound?
No, that isn't it. No, that isn't it. That's what he said.
Do you like that car, do you, Jim?
Yeah, we're gonna do like it riding around and stuff.
Well, can you ride over this little thing that Boogaloo's sitting on?
Yeah. Can you take this?
You can see he's sitting on a climbing frame.
Okay, go down the slide. Now it's gonna go down the slide.
You gonna do it down the slide?
And you catch
Okay.
it. It's gonna hit the
Oh.
car.
Ah.
It hit the car. I'm gonna hit the car now. No! Now it's gonna drive up.
It's gonna drive up. Go on.
Wait. Hit the little car.
Go. He crashed. Jim's running up to join it. You
Got it.
got it.
Smush the little car. Smush.
Smoosh.
Smush, 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 smush.
You gonna race down? Ah!
It hit the little car. And just pretend to drive it up.
You gonna do it again then, Jim? I'll watch the little car this time. Ready? Ah!
It hit the
Put
car.
the car off.
It hit the tiny car. Oh! You're gonna see how far this goes. Oh, it landed!
So there's wheels.
It did a billion flips. Whee! Oh, that went so far.
Crash.
Crash, Ethan. Rev it up. Let me try that. It crashed. There we go. Beep, beep.
Did you like your car then, Jim? Is it cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, you pleased you got it?
Good.
Alright, say bye to the Boogaloogas.
Bye.
See you guys next time. Like,
Bye.
subscribe, comment.
Mhm.
Get a shout out. Bye.
Beep.